So welcome guys. In this video I'm gonna talk about some basic UI widgets in Android. Okay, so in Android there are these are some UI widgets available in Android like text view, button, image view, recycler, and many more. So in this video we will see how to use these UI widgets in Android. So let's start. So make this as linear layout first. Okay. So as you can see, this is a simple text view. Text view is for displaying only information. That's it. User can never edit this text view. Okay, like here is right hello world. We can also increase the text size of this like 30 dp. Okay, and more just like 50 dp. Okay, perfect. So we can these are the attributes of text view. For example, if we want to change the text color of our text view, for example, spread this one for okay, here we go. So it's turned into red color. We can also text style like bold or italic or somewhere else, doesn't matter. Or text. One more property is there like okay, no problem. Okay, so this is just a basic text. We can create multiple text view like this, and as you can see, this is the linear layout. So wrap content will work for us, and the text view will be text. Will be second hello. So you can also orientation will be vertical. So here comes this second hello. Okay, so this is the basic text view. Now we will talk about edit text. So here I'm writing wrap content and match parent. By the way, what's that? Wrap content means only the part where my contents is aligned. Let me show an example. Like wrap content and wrap content. Uh, Text view will be better for us. This text view, wrap content and wrap content. Okay. So here text will be hello world. So in wrap content, it only occupies the size which is needed by its text horizontally as well as vertically. Means width will be wrap content and height will also be wrap content. Just look at the example here, just like if I do match parent here. So match parent means it will match layout will be matches with its parent. Here the parent we use our screen. Same with the height. Okay, so let's delete it and do edit text. Edit text. Okay, so where we will do match parent and wrap content. Okay, so here we give some hint like enter your name. Okay, we can also create a button, same match parent and wrap content. We can give some text, button or text, and click me. Okay, so this is a basic layout, and you can see this is a linear layout. Okay, so in linear layout, now we will jump on to MainActivity.java file. So Here some imports are there, some library we have to use, and in this class, public class main activity, it's a class name given by us, extends app compact activity. Extend here simply implies the inheritance in Java. Okay, it means we are occupying the properties of app compact activity to our class, that is main activity. Okay, here overrides implies that we are using on create function of app compact activity in our application. Okay, super.onCreate, we'll talk that later. And set content view means R is our resource class. Dot layout means this one, this folder, and we will use this XML file, that is activity main.xml. Okay, so now if we want to use this button, okay, so let me run this and I'll show you how it's looking. Gradle is building. You have to wait for some minutes for with Gradle build. While the Gradle is building, we have to give some IDs to our views. ID ed1, okay, and button ID btn. Okay, simple. So it's installing and launching my activity. So here we go. So here we can edit this text like this. Okay, so now we will give the functionality to its button. So how to give functionality to the button? We have to create the object of button class as well as edit text class. So first we have to create button and edit text. Edit text ed edit text. Okay. So now we have to typecast them, that's like button equal to find view by id r dot id dot, or here we have to give the id of the button. The id of the button is btn. Okay, and same with as edit text equal to find view by id r dot id dot edit text ed1. Okay, so here we go. So these lines, let me zoom in, let me, okay, it means that find view by id. View, I already told you what the view is. Find view by id, my button is a view and the id of my button is btn. Same with edit text, my view is ed1, id of edit text is ed1. Okay, so we have to give button dot set on click listener, set on click listener new view. So here we go. This is the Java code in which we want to perform some actions when the button is clicked. So we will toast some information. Toast, here we go. Toast, button is clicked. Toast is nothing but a small piece of information which is just pop-ups in middle of the screen or bottom of the screen where we have to mount. Okay, let's test this. Gradle is building, installing. Here we go. Just like if I click this button, so this is toast. Okay, so we can also do length long. So toast will displays for a longer time. Okay, so app is installing, and here we go. So now it will display for longer time. Okay, so this is simple toast. So now if we want to use the edit text information in our toast, so how to do this? Simple. We will use the object of edit text. Edit text dot get text dot toString. Okay, so whatever the information which is feed into edit text will displayed in our toast. Let's test this. So here we go. Gaurav Bhojwani, and I will click. So as you can see, here the pop-up comes. Okay, so this is simple Java code, nothing but simple getting text from edit text and use in toast to display it. Get text method get the text from edit text and converts to string. Okay, so okay, these class are automatically gets imported. Okay, and you have to know some Java knowledge which is preferred in Android. Okay, so thank you.